Hello and welcome to Voice TV Nigeria. My name is Magdalene Palmer. I want you lovely subscribers to keep subscribing to Voice TV Nigeria on YouTube. Today I am here with a doctor, a Nigerian doctor and pharmacist who was the first person to discover the cure for COVID-19. And news reaching me says that the Nigerian Agency for Food and Drugs Administration has tested his drugs and still undergoing process. Well, to me, I think this is a new development for me. It's a new development. And this doctor and pharmacist has cured a lot of Nigerians with COVID-19. And his products are like the best in the world. I think you have to stay tuned and watch for this doctor. Stay tuned. Okay. Here with me today is Dr. Pharmacist Benjamin Amodu. It's good to have you here, sir. Now, first of all, can you tell the viewers more about the recent development with NAFDAC and your product?
Well, with NAFDAC, as you can recall, we are the first set of researchers to approach the federal government through the Ministry of Science and Technology that we have something that can stop the pandemic. 10 days after the ministry asks for whoever has anything in that direction. And I still insist on what I have, which I have used for the benefit of so many people. The first set, which are already listed product by NAFDAC, are the SAB, the SAPMAL, and the SAPFA6 combo used for the treatment, prevention, and cure of COVID-19. That is already listed by NAFDAC. What we needed to do was to submit these samples to NAFDAC, which I'm aware NAFDAC is processing, because we also have gotten an approval from a prestigious hospital for the clinical trial of these products. But before that time, those who approach us, a lot of them have been cured within the shortest possible time. As I earlier said in the interview, I said this already listed products are 3 of them. SAPMAL, which you know, the highly very sensitive against the P. falciparum, the agent that causes malaria, which, as you are aware, discovered in Nigeria, taken to the US for publication. US exposed it to WHO sponsored us to the UN, and our presentation in UN, which is for the prophylaxis, for the suppression, and for the cure of malaria, received a standing ovation and were tested against chloroquine and pyrimethamine, which it had same activity and is also at best, its activities are better than those of the standard. That is already there. And you will also recall that this same product, SAPMAL, has been peer-reviewed by the Indian Journal of Medical Research, which indicated that it could be used as an adjuvant in the treatment of malaria, in the treatment of cancer, in the treatment of HIV, and in the treatment of hepatitis and co. So you can see this same SAPMAL has pain relieving, high temperature reducing effect, antioxidant effects, antiviral and antibacterial effect, which are all the requirements for the treatment of COVID, based on the stories we hear where some autopsies have been done. The role of the various ingredients in terms of antibacterial, antiviral, anti-temperature reducing, anti-clotting, and all those things. And even the use of dexamethasone in the UK, and the need for vitamin D, which is also incorporated in our SAB. SAB, as you can recall, is the best immune-boosting drug on the continent of Africa, for which we have received 3 awards of the best immune-boosting property on the market. And right now, we have people in England and the US who are using them, and they are requesting them, replenishing them, based on its activities in boosting human immune system Its antiviral activities, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. All these have been recorded in a test that has earlier been conducted. Now, you talk about the third one, which is Sulfur 6. The combo has Sulfur 6. Sulfur 6, as you know, is among the 5 products removed from my lab here by American scientists, which were tested in the state of Texas, in the university, where Sulfur 6 was tested against the cancer of the colon, but was found to also be effective in cancer of the lungs. And by that simple explanation, what it means, the COVID enters the nose, it enters the mouth. And as it comes to, it's supposed to be blocked by SAP and Sabmal at the throat level. But if it manages to enter through the throat, it will have a Sulfur 6 dealing with it, because Sulfur 6 has anti-pneumonia effects. It has lung cancer preventing effect. It has anti-fibrosis, and any diseases of the lungs it takes care of. So it will maintain its strategic role there by blocking the COVID from going further, not being able to cause fibrosis and the other related diseases of the lungs that will bring the patient down, and also boosting, the same thing, boosting the immune system. So you can see with this combo, there is nowhere COVID can survive.
Okay.
That is one set of a product that I've already gotten on ground, already listed. For the second one, which is the first one that made me to write the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, is the new one based on the work I'm doing on the throat cancer, which I discovered this product, that has over 90% vitamin C and other antioxidants coming out of natural source. It has the capacity to cure and to prevent cancer of the throat. And you know, the epicenter of COVID-19 is at the throat. That is where the epicenter, that is where the greatest havoc of COVID comes. What does this material do? It blocks the throat completely, disorganizing the COVID that has entered through the nose, through the mouth, from going in to cause its havoc. And as at the time I spoke, we needed to do a new test to know if these claims are correct or not. I sent these products to VOM, which is a virology researching institute, an animal researching institute, because of their experience in viral products. I also sent it to Canada. As we speak, the result of that of JOS has come. It shows that this product has 7 phytochemicals. What are they? They are saponin, they are alkaloids, they are tannins, they are cardiac glycosides, they are androquinolones, they are steroids, and with a lot of trace elements and vitamins.
Okay. So
with all these are the active ingredients. In all the discoveries I've had, none has contained 7 phytochemicals, which I just mentioned.
okay.
And you can see there's presence of an alkaloid, shows that anti-infective, it has an anti-infective. Anti-infective is antibiotic. It has cardiac glycosides. If there are cardiac related issues, this one doesn't have any side effects. It deals with it. It has steroid, natural steroid from food, which will also block the serious effects of COVID. So overall, it has flavones, flavonoids. These are seriously antioxidant. So the immune boosting property of this product, you can just see it straight away. It's double barrel formulated. So this COVID-19 will be able to do the suppression, do the prophylaxis, and do the curative effect of the COVID at the throat region. The same way Sabmal is able to do all those things. So the issue of a vaccine must always be in an attenuated form of the organism suspended in the chemical administered by way of, it's not in all cases. We have had typhoid capsules, 3 that prevents typhoid fever. So to have another one developed out of food the same way Sabma was gotten is not new to science. So now that this material has been tested, I'm now going to register it with NAFDAC now to show the proof of efficacy of my product, which I claim to be a vaccine. It has been proved beyond reasonable doubt with the results I have now. I will attach it and quickly do the registration there. And we have cured a number of individuals, even people that have gone through conventional treatment in the hospital and are still having throat effects and lungs effects. They have come here, and even after they have been cleared and they are still having issues, we've given them, and in a few days they report back to say even my cough has disappeared, my throat irritations have disappeared, and the fibrosis I used to notice, my lungs now functions very well, even without doing any tests, because they know how their body speaks to them before they came and after the use of the medications. So
my question is, what's the difference between your product and this chloroquine? And do you feel like these vaccines that they are talking about, is it that your product, these vaccines that we are talking about, I don't know if the vaccines have a side effect other than your own? You are talking about your own is naturally, it doesn't have any side effect, it just cures your own. Why are people now scared of these vaccines that the United States want to make, Americans want to make?
Madam, there is no comparison in terms of the vaccine, as I've said earlier. This is what we are using. I'm using it. I use it. I use it. And my members of my family use it. In fact, during the COVID episode, as it's about to start, my daughter traveled to England. From England, he went to Cambodia. From Cambodia, back to England. She just returned a few days ago. And we put her on this product before going.
And you're talking about the...
And she's back now, and they took her sample at the airport. They just test her now that it's negative, there's nothing. So what we're saying, drugs can come in different forms. Our own vaccine has come in this way. And because it is cheaper to produce it in this way, it is easier to mass produce them, it has no any known side effects anywhere, and we have need to diversify our economy of our country, because this is our own natural resource. So we are good to go. Nigeria is good to go. Africa is good to go. The world can also take from us, since we used to take from the world, since we now have a comparative advantage on the world.
Yes, but why is it that the world doesn't want to take from Africans? What are they scared
of? The reason is I don't need to tell you, because they have spent a lot of money on research and development. That is the way they look at it. And if God has provided our own naturally, and what we have spent is not up to what they have spent, that shouldn't be an issue. In the past, have we not taken anti-malaria from China, which we are using all over the world? So if they find our own product also equally doing well, there's no reason why they should not come and take our own. The baseline is even the other issues that have been explained to us, anti-Christ, anti-this, anti-that, cheap, to monitor some human being activities and so on. Ours is devoid of all that, and it will be able to achieve the aim of people being on it, so that right now the economy of the entire world is down. If they can take a product and go about their duty and not even cover their face, cover anywhere, and they go about doing their duty, the economy of the world will pick up, and the human being will be able to live many more years than people dying the way they are dying.
Okay. Then you talked about this COVID-19. I want you to talk more, like what particular drugs can you use for the cure of COVID-19? I want you to expatiate more on that. Yes,
the drugs right now are of 2 different types, as I told you. In herbal, we prefer combo. Combo means a different combinations coming together in a situation whereby the situation has different issues. Like in the treatment of COVID, we hear about the implication of respiratory issues, lungs issue, oxygen issue, vitamin D issue, the clotting of the blood and all that, then cough. That's the reason why you are talking of combo, a combinations of these different things, so that at the end of the day, you achieve a better result. For me, any of my product there, like the Sulfur-6, has cough, pneumonia related issues, fibrosis issue is covered by that, lungs diseases and all other things covered there. Then when you talk about SAB has anti-inflammatory property, pain relieving, temperature reducing, antibiotic property, antiviral property. Then when you talk about Sabmal, it has anti-malaria, antiviral. So by the time you combine all of them together, you can see your achievement is 100%. And what marks it out is that they don't have side effects, which is what mostly the world is worried about. Those of us who took this product that is our own herbal origin, nobody has fallen sick and died. You will recall that when this test was about to be carried out in Kenya, the person they injected on the spot died. And there are several others that are concealed that we don't get to hear about them. But we have not reported anybody having any side effects with those people we have given this. And within, it has even a shorter time of relieving it, 5 to 10 days.
Okay. So can these Salma, Sulfur-6, and SAP be used to cure further diseases?
Of course. That's the good thing about herbal medicine. I have always said it. There's a professor of pharmacognosy in the University of Lagos, a lady of pharmacognosy, who said, yes, I vouch for herbal medicine. One thing can do so many things. And that is the one people used to do their campaign here. And I think that campaign, I supported the lady. Even as at that time, I didn't know my own drug could be used as an example. I just told you now that American researchers visited me, took 5 of my products to the state of Texas. As they visited Texas, they gave it out for check. The first check was for colon cancer. As they were doing the experiment on colon cancer, they saw that it could also cure cancer of the lungs. And they set up the 2 experiments at the same time. What happened? Cancer of the colon, they got 89% effectiveness of this product. Cancer of the lungs, which was set up pari passu, they got 89% for cancer of the lungs. And today, we now have a cure for asthma. Asthma that, they use dangerous drugs like aminophylline, they use nebulizers, they use Ventolin inhaler, Seretide inhaler, all kinds of inhaler are used, and death can easily result from the attack. But today, a food material combination cures the asthma. And if you are to even single out the cure of asthma in the entire world, the number of people you will get and the kind of money that will be made for the country is so enormous, So it is based on this. And don't forget, my SAB, that's why I call it Chief of Staff. It takes care of so many things. It's involved in HIV/AIDS. It's involved in sickle cell. Same product. It's involved in general well-being. It's involved in immune boosting. And that shows you now that the principle of boosting the immune system, of any organism, is the basis of extended life. Immunity is the main issue. And even for the COVID we are talking about, once your immune system is boosted beyond reasonable doubt, the COVID cannot even come near you. That alone is also a vaccine in itself. And SAB can boost the immune system beyond human imagination.
Okay. Do you have any other question? This product used for the cure of COVID-19, your Salma, Sulfur-6, and SAP, are there chemically infused things inside of them, like maybe there are little chemicals inside, because people might be wondering, natural product. Are you sure he has not mixed 1 or 2 chemicals inside?
That is why NAFDAC is there.
Okay.
The question of mixing does not arise. The basis of my research is food, the food we eat for millions and thousands of years that has not given us any side effects. And the product, NAFDAC will ask you to clearly state your product combinations, which we have stated even before now that COVID has come up. And from WHO requirement, you are supposed to undergo toxicity and stability tests. These are the 2 requirements for any herbal medicine anywhere in the world. And SABMAL, Sulfur-6 have undergone all this. And we're already listed. But because NAFDAC wanted to be double sure, they still subjected us to another round of retesting to confirm the toxicity and the stability.
Okay.
So issue and what it contains are listed there. Aloe vera, bitter leaf, yam, sesame seed, and all of that. And all these are food materials from my claim. SABMAL is the same thing, you know. Then Sulfur-6, the listed materials are there. They are all food materials. And when you come to the COVID, we have millet, we have soya beans, I think we have bitter leaf listed there, but combined together in very unique fermented way to be able to achieve the result for which we have designed it to do, based on our research combinations and our research findings. None of them contains any form of chemical. And from the results of the analysis coming out of VOM, it has shown that it is not toxic for human consumption at various doses as required by chemical procedure in the lab.
Okay. That's nice.
So that is the major difference between our research. Is based on food entirely, no chemical at any point, either as preservatives. We also have, in this research has made me also to discover herbal preservatives. And those are the preservatives I was saying when Trump says people should drink preservatives. They were referring to chemical preservatives. Okay. But we can drink food preservatives which cure COVID, because a number of them contain copper. And copper and COVID don't see eye to eye. Any material that has high level of copper can be used as a food preservative. It can also be used as a medicine against COVID. Just like we have in our products, either the listed one and the new one, we have vitamin D, which we are now told helps in COVID. We manufacture our own vitamin D from the atmosphere. The water that falls from the atmosphere, we convert it to vitamin D. You know, vitamin D is difficult to achieve. When people overexpose themselves to sunlight, they get cancer.
Yes.
So our vitamin D that is contained in these mixtures come from atmosphere, which is natural, has no side effects. 2, the steroid. We get our steroid from these combinations, and the steroid does not have any side effect, and it's not a synthesized steroid, and it does not have those side effects that synthesized steroids have. That's number 2. Number 3, we have an element in our mixture that stops clotting.
Okay. Wow. That's very interesting.
Clotting, and it's natural, and it does not have any side effects. Okay. For our viewers. Then we have the antiviral, antibacterial, and immune boosting. So what else do we need? The vitamin C, I've told you that either way, the SAP has over 90% vitamin C. The SAPVID has over 90% vitamin C. So What else do we need to add?
Yes, coming into that clothing
sorry,
now, I want you to like talk more about that clothing.
Yes, that's a good one.
Yeah.
The clothing is one of the places we found out that a dead patient of COVID was analyzed, and they found that there's clothing.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, so what we have done is we found a natural material that has the ability to stop clothing, and included it in our mixture, since it does not have any side effect.
To release the blood.
To just avoid clothing. And you know, in normal sickness, clothing is a major issue, and it can cause death in no time. So for us to have been able to come across a natural anti-clothing agent from food that has no side effects, I think it's a major discovery in the world.
It is.
Steroids is a major discovery. Cardiac glycoside that will work before digoxin was gotten from folklore. There's a lot of side effects.
Yes.
And now we have a source. We can get a material for cardiac without the side effects that the chemical one has. You know, this has shown that the major development in the health sector in the years to come are going to be in the area of herbal. Either somebody likes it or not, herbal has come to stay and will be able to deal with various diseases that has no cure.